There is no one that can escape the cycle that births the trash of this world. That's exactly why I intend to remake the world.
You guys annoy me so much, I can't even think straight. So instead, let me teach you a little something about me. I'm not trash! I'll never let my comrades die, no matter what happens!
I will not allow my comrades to die. I'm sorry, Naruto. I'm the one who taught you Obito's words, and yet I was about to waver again.
Hirudora! Lightning Blast!